Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make tandoori chicken easily in the oven. This recipe can also be made on a grill. I'm using chicken leg quarters, which are perfect for this recipe. A whole chicken also works well. Remove the skin and excess fat. Make shallow cuts with a knife on both sides of the pieces. Make a deeper cut between the leg and thigh so it cooks evenly. To a bowl, add salt, Kashmiri chili powder for color instead of artificial food coloring, grated garlic, grated ginger, and fresh lemon juice. Mix it all up. Spread this all over both sides of the chicken. Cover and set aside for 30 minutes. To the same bowl, add Greek yogurt or strained whole milk yogurt, grated ginger, grated garlic, salt, red chili powder, ground cumin, garam masala, amchur powder or dried mango powder if you have it, and Kashmiri chili powder. Mix it well. A nice thick paste to coat the chicken for the second marination. Spread the marinade on both sides of the pieces. Cover and refrigerate for at least 6 hours. I generally marinate overnight or for 24 hours. Heat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 205 degrees Celsius. Put the chicken on a parchment or foil-lined baking sheet. I've melted some butter. Drizzle the melted butter all over the chicken. Bake in the heated oven for about 40 minutes. Every 15 minutes, remove the chicken from the oven and drizzle with a little butter. While the chicken's cooking, make some quick and tasty onions to serve on the side. All we need is sliced yellow onion, fresh lemon, and chopped cilantro leaves. Squeeze the lemon all over the onions. Add salt and chopped cilantro. Mix and set aside. Give it a stir once in a while. Here's the chicken after 15 minutes. After 30 minutes, and after 40 minutes. By the way, your kitchen will smell like an Indian restaurant when this is cooking. You know the chicken's cooked when the internal temperature is 175 degrees Fahrenheit or 80 degrees Celsius. Now this chicken is cooked and ready to eat, but if you want a little more browning on top, turn your oven to the broil setting and put under the broiler for 2 to 3 minutes. Not directly under the broiler, but a few inches away so the chicken doesn't burn. Check after 2 minutes and take it out if there's too much browning. This is what the chicken looks like after it was under the broiler. Serve with the marinated onions and lemon wedges. If you have chaat masala, you can sprinkle some over the top of the chicken. The meat is juicy and well cooked. At most Indian or Pakistani restaurants near me, the chicken's overcooked and a little dry. It always looks good, but doesn't taste great. If you make this recipe, you won't be disappointed. As you saw, it's not complicated. Give it a try and let me know how you like it in the comments below. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.